Welcome back to ECRN Garage. The piston came in from Germany for the DT175. So we'll be putting that together today and hopefully we'll get it to make some noises. Please remember to like and subscribe to help build my channel. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comments section below. And let's get this thing started. Well, the new piston finally came, so hopefully this will be the right one. I got this from Germany online. It's a new old stock Yamaha piston. Must have been in a window. See this corner, it's all sun faded. And the back side still got some color, kind of neat. Alright, that looks like the right one. Yep. Ports are the same size. Unlike this poor guy here, must be for one of the later ones. So it looks like we have the right piston this time. So I'll check the ring gaps and then I'll start assembling it and hopefully might get this started today. Excellent. Measure the ring gap. Not very exciting stuff, but it's good to check this stuff to make sure it's alright. Usually anything I've ever ordered is pretty close to being fine. Just in case it's a little out, we'll give it a check. And it's supposed to be 4 millimeters. Or 0.4 millimeter ring gap. 0.4 is in there. 2. And the gap seems to be right on the money. It's in spec. 2-stroke oil here to lube everything up. There's little grooves for these rings to go into so they don't turn and get caught on the exhaust port on the way up, because if they come out of position they will smash off right on the edge of the port. So you make sure that when you put the piston in, these little grooves that are here, the ring gap sits in between them and it holds the ring from spinning. Alright, there we go. I put the rings and the piston in the cylinder head just to make it a little easier to get this on. I'll torque the head bolts down to 15 foot-pounds. I put the rings in the piston, put the engine back together. I was kicking it over. It didn't seem like it was getting much compression, so I'm going to do a compression test now. Also, I used the rings that came with that first piston. The piston I just got from Germany didn't come with rings, it was just the piston only. And the rings, the ends of them were kind of bevel shaped, they weren't the C shape like the Yamaha ones, so I got a feeling that they're not compatible with the stock piston that I have. So I'll just do a little compression test here. and see where it's at. It should be anything over 110 to 120, you should be getting compression enough to try and start it. So I'll whirl this up with my drill and we'll see what we got. Alright, we'll zoom in on the compression tester and see what kind of numbers we have. Looks like we got about 65 psi, and that's with no carburetor on, so that's the best case scenario. So no wonder it wasn't lighting off. We need over that 120. So I found some new rings online that were Yamaha. The Yamaha ones that match the piston that I ordered, so they should be another week or two out. So when I get those, I'll put those in, test the compression again, and hopefully we can get this thing to start up. Anyway, thanks for watching again. Hope you enjoyed this little video of when you do stuff at home, it mostly doesn't work out the first time around. And the way parts are now to try to get for these older bikes, some are easier to get than others. But keep trying, keep messing with stuff, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.